Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by turning Siri into a voice-first assistant. Enable Listen for Hey Siri and confirm microphone access. Once done, choose the language and voice so responses match your expectations and make sure the volume is audible. Now position the device, close enough to hear you, away from loud fans or traffic, because clarity directly affects recognition. Say your trigger phrase naturally, pause only briefly, then give a concise command. This immediate start gets you past settings and into practical use. You focus on command structure. Begin with a clear verb call text play because Siri parses action first. Once you form the request, include necessary details, names, destinations, times. This reduces follow-up prompts. If Siri asks a clarifying question, respond verbally, don't touch the screen, to keep the session voice only. Make sure to use natural phrasing. Short, precise chunks help errors drop. If you need a multi-step task, chain commands. Ask Siri to set a timer, then immediately request a reminder, and it will follow both. You end interactions by listening for Siri's confirmation, and if necessary, asking a quick follow-up like "Did you send it?" so you know the outcome. Once done, refine performance by retraining Hey Siri or updating language and voice settings. These small tweaks improve accuracy. If Siri repeatedly mishears you, check microphone permissions, remove cases that muffle sound, and restart the device. As a final troubleshooting tip, toggle Siri off and on. This simple reset often clears recognition errors and restores reliable voice control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.